G'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. What are we up to today? Well, we've come to Cheow Dam and we're about to take a longtail boat, private longtail boat, cruise around Cheow Lan Lake. It's a 4-hour cruise. We had to get up at 4 o'clock this morning and got about an hour's ride here. Part of the tour is pick you up at the hotel and drop you off. It's about an hour away from where we were staying in Cheow town. Apparently this tour is pretty good. We've decided on the private one, so it's just me and the girl in a longtail boat with a captain, and it's about a 2-hour cruise around Cheow Lan Lake, and then we go to a floating restaurant for an hour and a half to get some eats, and then along the way there's a half-an-hour stopover in Diamond Cave. So all in all, the tour on the lake is about a 4-hour tour in a private longtail boat, like we said, and then we've got transfers from back to the hotel. So the cost was about 9,000 baht, which is about 450 Australian dollars. If you want to do the transfer yourself, you can do it yourself, and the tour will be about just over 5,000, which is 250 Australian dollars. But altogether, it's about 450 for two of us, which I thought was quite reasonable. I've seen a few vlogs on this tour on Cheow Lan Lake before, and it seems pretty good. It's pretty majestic. A little bit of information for you. The dam was made about 36, 37 years ago and covers around about 60 square miles. It's an absolutely huge lake. The vlogs that I have seen done on Cheow Lan Lake, it's really, really spectacular, and it's been likened to a little bit to Ha Long Bay in Vietnam, but it's unique and it's a little bit different, and it looks like it's going to be pretty good. So I hope you sit back, relax, and take that chill pill as always, and enjoy the bit of footage that I put together for the Mclean Up Files. Cheers, guys. We'll see you on the next bit. Well, guys, we're leaving the pier, and there's Papa. What you can see there is the Cheow Dam. That's the wall that they put in. It's only us and this other boat on the lake. Getting up early is really, really worth it because there's hardly anyone on the lake. These guys launched just before us. Sawadee Cup and good morning. What a glorious morning. The sun's just sort of come up behind us, and here we are on the boat trip by ourselves. And like we said, the boat over there and us are the only ones on the lake.
วันนี้เรามานั่งเล่นเรือยาวที่เขื่อนราชประภากันนะคะ มาไกลมากมาสุราษฎร์ธานีเลยค่ะ เห็นไหมคะคุณพ่ออยู่ด้านหลังค่ะ
There's Papa there on the boat. There he is. Happy days. And if we pan around here, we'll see the other boat off in the distance, but fantastic. And what a trip. Should be pretty awesome. We've just started and we're really looking forward to it. But it's so peaceful and tranquil here. The water is so flat. There's a little bit of wind, not too much. The captain's taken the canopy off. He said it's better to take videos with the canopy off. He said he might put it back on later if we need it. At the moment, there's a little bit of cloud cover, but it's not raining, and we're thankful for that, aren't we? But here we are on Cheow Lan Lake in Cheow. It's been a bit of a dream of ours to come to Cheow, and here we are finally, and it's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, really beautiful.
Yeah.
We can show area in here.
We will.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'll turn the camera around and give you a gander at some of the scenery we're seeing. Sun-kissed top of the mountain with the cloud this morning, and I may have mentioned before that this lake is 60 square miles. It's absolutely huge. If we just pan around and show you where we've come from, back that way is the pier. There's a couple of more boats, so there's 4 boats now on the lake. But getting up early, like I said before, is the way to go. But have a look at it. Beautiful, beautiful place. Wow, have a look at the limestone cliffs that just basically fall straight into the water. And the lake's starting to look fairly majestic in the morning light. Really spectacular, really beautiful. I can imagine when the sun comes out and the clouds lift, it'll be even better to film, but it has a real freshness to it in the morning light. It's nice and cool, and it's actually quite refreshing, yeah. Beautiful. Fantastic view, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful mountains.
Fantastic. Look at the scenery. There's European in all her glory. She's loving it. There's the sunrise. It's fantastic. Wow. Wow, fantastic, guys. Have a look at this sunrise there. And right on point, the captain's put us right between the mountain, and we can see the sunrise there. Absolutely fantastic. And I reckon he was just taking his time to get to this spot. And as you can see, fan-bloody-tastic. Wow, sunrise on Cheow Lan Lake in Khao Sok, Thailand. Doesn't get any better than this, guys. Absolutely. It's well worth the get up in the morning at 4 o'clock and to come here. And bloody-tastic. Absolutely. Wow, sunrise. So as you look over the top of us, that's just about the end of the sunrise. Fantastic. What a view. Just pan back around. There we go, there's the last of it there. Fantastic. Wow, how spectacular does it look? There's the eagle, there's a bird up there, European eagle up there. You see the bird flying around. Looks fantastic. I mean, wherever you look, it's epic. Epic proportions. Just there you can see there's accommodation on the river. There's about, I don't know, 10 or 12 spots, maybe a few more that you can rent out. They're quite expensive. They seem to be a little bit exclusive. And you can rent a 1 night or a 2 night stay on them places. You've got the Three Sisters there. Bit of a highlight of the lake is those 3 rocks there together, apparently. There's a lot of pictures been taken of them. They look fantastic. Got it on video and here we are. Fantastic, isn't it?
สวยมากเลย มันจะเป็นภูเขาโผล่มา3 ลูกเล็กๆที่เป็นไฮไลท์ที่เขาถ่ายลงโปสเตอร์นะคะสวยมาก
Yeah, those rocks back there were a bit of a highlight. Apparently they make a lot of posters from photographing them 3 rocks in Thailand. So they're pretty famous in Thailand. All right, onwards and upwards. Wow, amazing views. That's a good photo. Epic. Absolutely epic. Fantastic. It's like a little bay we're going into here. I'm sure it's pretty good swimming in here, and seems to be in the canopy down by the river. There seems to be a lot of monkey action going on. It's, you can see sometimes when you look you see the trees moving. Wow, what an epic shot. Well guys, pretty epic so far, and it just continues to roll. We're about to head to, I think, the Diamond Cave.
Yeah.
Going to go inside the mountain in the cave.
Yeah.
And I think we're in there for 30 minutes, so hopefully we'll get a good bit of footage of inside the cave.
Yeah.
All right, we'll catch you when we get there.
ค่ะตอนนี้เรากำลังจะพาเข้าไปเดินในถ้ำต่อนะคะตอนนี้เราดูข้างนอกเขื่อนหมดละตอนนี้กำลังจะเข้าไปข้างในภูเขากันค่ะเข้าไปดูในถ้ำกันแต่ว่าถ้าเป็นช่วงที่แบบไม่เกิดสงครามเนี้ยอ๋อมันจะมีโซนให้เล่นน้ำค่ะ
Just coming up to Diamond Cave. I reckon that's the entrance right in front of us. See a bit of a staircase there leading into Diamond Cave. Should be interesting. Well, here we are at the Diamond Cave, Pelch Cave. And you've got to make your way up this staircase to get in the cave. All right, we've got to see what it's going to be. Inside the cave now. That's all right. Stalagmites and stalactites. So that was the Diamond Cave, guys. Hard to get footage in there, it was so dark. We've come out, got back in the boat and continue on. It's supposed to be 30 minutes in there, probably only spent about 15. There's a little bit more to see in there, but you have to get down at a cramped space to get in there. Too bloody hard. But it's still good. I think the safety is out the window in Thailand. It just doesn't exist. This is the extensive cave, and there's more to it than what we've seen. So that was the Diamond Cave, Pra-Kai Pech Cave. Look how beautiful it is now that the sun's starting to come out. Yeah, really making the colours pop a little bit more now. I can imagine in the afternoon when the sun is fully up, the lake would be really, really blue. You don't get the sunrise, so we've chosen the sunrise, but yeah, wow. Sun coming up over the hill there, beautiful. Beautiful spot, guys. The lake's almost got a green colour to it, especially in this light. So far, yeah, 2 hours into it, it's pretty good. We're going to relax a little bit more, have a bit more of a ride around the lake, then I think we're going to go have some breakfast. The extra time you get not in the cave, you're actually on the water, which is, I think, is better. But yeah, have a look at it now. There's that sun coming over top of that hill, the mountain, and you're getting that pop of colour. You enjoying it, babe?
Very happy, enjoy.
It is, it's pretty good, isn't it? All right, we'll continue to take a bit of footage, try and piece something together. But yeah, fantastic, guys. Wowee. As I always say, it doesn't get much better than this. Out in the distance here, you can see another set of huts or lodges, water lodges. This is some of the floating accommodation that you can stay in. I think we're probably going into here to have some breakfast, I think. But yeah. Bungalows. Yeah, I think we're stopping here to have breakfast. You can see all the accommodation. Pretty basic, still pretty nice. Pretty good driver, he just knows the speed to come in at something. Just cruises in really, really slowly. Awesome. Okay. So guys, we're here for 45 minutes. Maybe get something to eat. You can go for a swim. You can use the facilities. And at 9 o'clock we're going to go. So you can kayak, you can swim, maybe get something to eat. We'll see. We'll see what we're going to do. All right. Cheers, guys. Here, right next to the jetty. Have a look at the fish that are in the water here. Unbelievable. Wowee. Fantastic. Massive fish. What sort of, ask Papa, what sort of fish? What's the name of the fish? What are they, koi? Do you know the name of the fish?
Fish paisok.
Paisok. They eat them?
Someone don't like to eat too much, but can eat, but someone
don't really like them.
Yes.
Wow, look at the fish. They're unbelievable. They would have to be 2 foot long. Some of them are over 24 inches long. Wow. That's amazing. So yeah, guys, there's a bit of a restaurant there. It's 150 eat what they've got. They just about ran out, so we didn't buy anything. Here you can have a swim in this area here. Let's wear a life jacket. That's where the boats pull in. And they've got accommodation down that side, and as you can see, they've got accommodation down this side. A bit better bungalows there. Fish in the water here, amazing. Absolutely amazing. So guys, this is the place we pulled up to have breakfast, and stayed for about, I don't know, 40 minutes. About to hop on the boat in a minute and go back. But yeah, what a spot. Now the sun's come out, it looks even more amazing with the sun out. It's fantastic. Have a look at it. What's not to like? I mean, it's fantastic. Cheow Lan Lake. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. Get on a boat, get on a long-tail boat, whether it's a private boat or you're on with heaps of other people, and just get out on the lake, Cheow Lan Lake. Get out here for a couple of hours. You'll really enjoy it. Fantastic. And like I just said, now the sun's come out, it's even more stunning. What a beautiful, beautiful place. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next bit. Captain's just launching us off. Gonna hop back on. Look at him. What a stud.
Let's go.
Absolutely. He's brought out the shade for us. I'll just turn I'll go up the front of the boat and turn around and have a gander. Now the sun's come out, he's put the shade up for us, and happy days. All right, we're off. I think we'll make our way back to the pier. It's 9 o'clock, and they've got about an hour left, I reckon. Fantastic. As the trip's nearly coming to an end, we've really enjoyed ourselves on the boat trip. It's been really, really good. Fantastic. You got to do it. You really do. Apparently that's a Wi-Fi station for the phone, perched up there on the rock. Wow. Well guys, we're just coming into the pier now. That's the end of our trip, our 4-hour trip around the lake, and it was fantastic. I really recommend it. If you're thinking about doing it, just bloody do it. It's well worth it. I think we've had a great day. It's been really good. What do you think, babe? Well worth it?
Beautiful day.
It's really worth it.
Fantastic.
It is. My microphone's gone on the blink, so hopefully you can hear me on the normal mic from the camera. But we've had a good day, haven't we? And we really, really enjoyed it, and we'd really recommend it. So I hope you sat back, relaxed, and took that chill pill like you know you need to, and you enjoyed the Mclean Up Files. Cheers, guys. We'll see you on the next one.